Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use the brand new Gemini integration in Google Forms. In 2026, Google has finally built AI directly into the Forms interface, so you can go from a blank page to a ready-to-share survey in about 60 seconds. Let's get right into the setup. First, you can use the Help Me Create a Form feature to build from scratch. Open a new form at forms.google.com and look for the sparkle icon or the floating prompt box. You just type in what you need, like create a 10-question biology quiz for high schoolers about cell division, and Gemini will generate the questions, descriptions, and multiple choice options instantly. If the first draft isn't perfect, you can click Recreate to get a new version or edit your prompt to add more detail. Next, you should try the game-changing Create from Drive feature. If you already have a lesson plan in Google Docs, a presentation in Slides, or even a PDF, you can now feed that directly to Gemini within Forms. The AI will analyze your file and pull out the most important points to generate a comprehension check or a feedback survey based specifically on your material. This is a massive time saver for teachers who want to turn their notes into an instant exit ticket without any manual copying and pasting. Then you can use the new AI Suggest Questions tool to improve a form you've already started. If you have a few questions written but feel like you're missing something, Gemini will analyze your existing content and suggest additional questions, different question types, like switching a multiple choice to a linear scale, and even more inclusive answer options. It acts like a professional survey consultant that's built right into your toolbar. Finally, once the responses start rolling in, you can use Gemini for response summaries. In 2026, you don't have to read 100 individual paragraph answers. In the Responses tab, Gemini can identify key themes, group similar feedback together, and even highlight outliers or unique perspectives. If you need a deeper dive, you can click See Theme Percentages, and it will open a Google Sheet with a pre-made pie chart and a detailed breakdown of what your audience is actually saying. And that is it. You are now officially a Google Forms power user. If this AI guide helped you streamline your data collection today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.